Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski. Nonchebe. And I'm doing I'm a machine uyayicala vanda
Aqhubeka
ngomashoni uthatha ipatshoni ngalo makava
no mara uyicale kumine
happy
Brazil
ukremini
grand right
fresh
yeah ish mapakani ajabule
yeah
mapakani ajabule yeah guys ishaye fast sibo siyavuka kusasa ishinga ingane ziyabhala kumele sivigilate ini okay ish sibo
ngene so teasy
yeah ngihleze ngitshela ngama patterns ne
yes
ukuthi ezinye izinto kumele si note down if izenzeka because like always kusuke kune reason yaleyo nto leyo okay yasikhumbuzana nje fast ne kuneke message yale neTS Galaxy la esigodini
sure
I think around about 3 minutes 4 minutes umure mushaya ipala then sadlala neswelele I think ibe iCalling yeah iCalling evidence wasenzela ipenalty around about 3 or 4 minutes unfortunately why shweba
yes
yashaya ipala right against amajita lawa seLesotho into besidlala iCAF ne
yeah iCAF
4 minutes second leg bese sinama corner ayi2
yeah
in 4 minutes
yeah
right
yeah
today 5 minutes siyakora Muri yabothi ngikubalela 2 minutes 3 minutes 4 minutes
stand 5
direct ngitshela ukuthi first 5 minutes sezenjani ipakani yalizokwenza njani zokupress remember even last season there was a game besidlala neSundowns la FNB amagoli kaMfukeng angena nini boy2 within 5 minutes
true
ingiyisaphi lento sithibe ingise game ya Saturday
yeah
second leg lesidlalayo yeCAF
yeah
if serious
yeah
and ngiyazi izoba serious abantu abalindele igoal within 5 minutes okanye ama attack ethu sizoba pressure from the first minute yani ye kick off because umucheka lezi zinto lezi i-trend okanye i-pattern yani yebhakalisi
yeah bamba mina
ama patterns Sithibo
ngakubamba mina
all right I guess ngene egamini Sithibo igame ya today best prepare for igame ya Saturday
CAF
for iCAF
sure
izathu esenza ukuthi siqale ngoMaswanganyi noMasindi ezweleza uNduli ilento bese prepare for Saturday ukuthi because sidinga amagoli there is no need ukuthi udlale ngama CDM ayi2 especially like siluza 3-0 so asikho isidingo sokuthi sidlale ngama CDM ayi2 hence why namhlanje besinoMasindi ezweleza uMaswanganyi because na Saturday vele I believe ukuthi idea ukuthi senze njani si attack from the first minute ye kick off kuze sothola igoli eli1 and once sathola igoli eli1 okanye if singathola igoli eli1 within first 5 minutes then for me igame izobe sibuyile kuthini
yeah
if singathola igoli eli1 in 5 minutes because if lama trend lawa yakutshela second half today 47 minutes wa police kune shot ayishayile ya deflect kwaba I save ka keeper around about 49 minutes 50 minutes kune sithende esidlala uMahupa ezidlalela uNdaba and then wathi uzama ukudlala iCross and then ukeeper waphuma wayivimba ne uyabona ukuthi kusawu 5 minutes one lo we second half sengikubala izinto ezingaki ezi2 I save lewa police ayifostile ku goalkeeper 47 minutes, around about 49-50 minutes undaba bekune hard cross ayidlalile and then ukeeper uphuma njani oyevala 5 minutes one lo second half, which means no 5 minutes base, first 5 minutes bama half sibenza njani siyabasebenzisa. So for Saturday ngilindele ukuthi season energy efanayo. I believe ukuthi singathola igoal ngo 5 minutes Saturday.
Sure.
Yes. And another thing Thibo engibe happy ngayo today. Okay, bekufanele score amagoli amaningi ne? But then kwangenzeka amagoli angavuma kwangenzeka. Ucoach wa realize ukuthi hayi ngisho singadlala u200 minutes lo ushiyo Mbokazi. Angeke sisakora. Wenze njani? Wathi as protect lokho esinako. Sikuprotecta kanjani? Safaka uNdlozi. Why befaka uNdlozi? Because iPolokwane City bisimthayimelo uSibelebele ne. Bebembona ukuthi akekho grand kahle. Always bebe create ini 2v1 daily cyclist la kuphi la ka right. Babona ukuthi eshikune danger ezayo lapha bamkhipha bafaka uNdlozi. uNdlozi mebemfaka bayamtshela ukuthi akahambe uyodlala flat because uSibelebele benza njani. Ingakho always be create ka ini 2v1. Bafaka uNdlozi bathi yazenze njani wena iba flat la. Baphinde bafaka uSibizi. Abantu abaningi ba questionile ukuthi why kufaka uSibizi. Iligi le. By any means kumele uthole 3 points. And i-technical team yethu i-understandile lonto today ukuthi si protecta lokho esinjani esinako. Because u1-0 ubusigaya in 3 points. Igame yaphela sanga consider sathola ini
3 points.
Sathola 3 points. Sibuyele back ekuqaleni kwami i-interview ngikhuluma ngani ngama-pattern kanye nama-trend.
Yes.
Ngizokutshela something Sithibo ngoThepang Moreng ne. Moremi uyena okorile today, right?
Sure.
Ngizokutshela something. Yazi uMoremi kule season since kuyiBhakaniya amagoli akhe amaningi. Amagoli akhe amaningi aqhamuka if edlala from left wing.
Yeah.
Okay, ake siwabala. Final Pirates versus Stellenbosch eMbombela.
Yeah.
First goal ayidlalwa Police. Waqhamuka from left wing.
Yeah.
I-assist kaMabasa for second goal wayeshaya eqhamuka left wing. Third goal waPolice lephasa amdlalele yona ezi-through beqhamuka leli side ngale left wing. Chippa United sidlala ePort Elizabeth. Igoal alishayela liphasela waPolice beqhamuka from left wing. I-assist ayishayela waPolice eBloom against amajita la waseLesotho beqhamuka from left wing. Igoal alishayile today beqhamuka from irun yakhe. Okay, abanye abantu bazosayobela kwi-penalty spot but irun yakhe ibi deep iqhamuka from left wing. Lonto iyakutshela ukuthi umjita is more effective if edlala kulolu nyawo lakho njani lu strong from in left wing.
Yeah.
Not umesa kusazofanele iqale phansi ezinjani ekhathe Sithibo ngakutshela something ngathi kunzima ukulwa nomuntu wasekhaya because uyawazi ini umsamo. Uwazi wonke umsamo wasekhaya. Leyo nto imnikeza amandla. Ngoba uyanazi ukuthi ni strong kuphi ni weak kuphi. Sibuyela back to igame yePirates nePolokwane City MTN 8. First goal aPolice waphinda wasinela ipenalty. Today aPolice uforced to keep ukuthi ashaye isave kwaba irebound. Thepang Moremi wathatha ibhola livalele nethi. Kunzima ukulwa nomuntu wasekhaya ngoba uwazi wonke ini
Umsa.
Thank you Sithibo.
Asibonge Menier. Asibonge